Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. So Tuesday and then today, Wednesday, broken down, and did this analysis yesterday on Tuesday. So that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as straightforward as possible and clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want them to see act as support. So 0.1313 cents, was that level of resistance going into today? Actually 0.132 to be more exact, and the price got above it. So preferably speaking now, that would be an area that if the price can stay above it, that would be a huge sign of power. However, with that being said, in the event the price does drop below 0.132, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, staying above 0.132, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. It's all about that pink line, which is the famous 50-period simple, the 200-period simple moving average. And you can see late day on 3 different occasions, the price got right up around that area and just couldn't quite push through. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can't break through it. I'm just saying, it makes sense why the price did struggle where it did, on the day. But going forward, that'll be the key hurdle that needs to be cleared. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice bounce, very nice continuation today. And now it's just a question of can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.